How can I change the units displayed in Citymapper? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change the units displayed in Citymapper. Let's find out if that is possible. Now, the Citymapper is a public transit app and mapping service which displays transport options, usually with live timing between any two locations in a supported city. Now, the units displayed over here for the currency and distance is set based on the city that you have chosen. It is selected on the basis of which system most of the inhabitants of this city use. So unfortunately, it is currently not possible to change the units. As you can see, there is no such settings where you can change the unit. All you can do is change the city, and according to that city, the units will also be changed. So as of now, there is no way to change the units on the Citymapper application. This video is intended to inform you guys that no such method is available as of now. And that's it for this video. If you found this information helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.